Man.
Right now we're at the gazebo.
I'm gonna have to like copy this and make it neat.
I know, because look, they're not gonna hire him if his application looks like this compared to mine. Mine looks, whatever. They're gonna hire me. Look how cool, look, and they have like little screens so no one can see us or hear us. We're like in a secret world right now, you guys. Secret world. And Alex just went to sleep.
So comfortable everywhere he goes. Everywhere
I know.
Alex goes, he gets so comfortable. He's so.
Let's all sit on the same couch. Come on.
Yeah. No. Come on, Alex.
Well, fine, just me and Kenneth. See, there's like room for you. Perfect.
It's Kenem, not Kenem Alex.
Kenem what?
It's
Kenemix.
Kenemau.
Kenemau.
Okay, and people are looking at us, but they look at us weird everywhere. Like, you really sit down.
Squish it, Molly.
I don't like being squished, actually. So yeah, it's been a long day.
Yeah.
And I think this is it for us. So
Last
I
episode on his way.
hope you guys enjoyed our episode. No, I really am getting. Oh, my hair's stuck.
I didn't do it.
I like how. Okay. Oh man, we're sitting in order of our questions.
Oh.
Mine are the coolest, of course.
Are those jeans? Oh, they are.
The lightest. No, they're not. They're corduroy.
Oh.
The lightest ones are the ugliest.
Yeah.
So those are Alex's. Oh, he lost. He doesn't like. Oh no, insulted. Okay, well.
Oh no, Brian.
He knows it's true.
Bye. I'm gonna turn this off. Oh, I got like stuck on the way here. Hold on.
Good job.